On October 21st, 2024, a traffic stop in Cleveland County, Oklahoma, raised critical questions about inventory searches and constitutional rights.
Under the Fourth Amendment, inventory searches are an exception to the warrant requirement, but only when conducted for legitimate administrative purposes.
I've never called 911.
You guys did exactly what you're supposed to.
Thank you. Well, I was told to 911. I was like, I'm down driving like this because I don't know if she has a gun. I'm like, does she have a gun? I'm like, no. I'm sorry. I've just never called 911 before. No, I've taught fourth grade all day. Did you say like where she stopped and then took off again?
She stopped at the gas
The
station.
racetrack. But she got out and she walked around and just looked at her side of the damage, walked back around, got in her car and took off. And they're out there trying, both the man and the woman, bless their hearts.
Yeah, I feel sorry.
I feel bad. I don't know where they are. Yeah, but she tore up the left side of the...
They gotta be on racetrack.
It's like a old school little bitty Winnebago, but it's not big. It's about as long, maybe a little longer than your car. It's not big.
Yeah.
It's gray, I think.
Yeah.
It was gray or silver. Well, it was an older couple, and I saw them with a camera taking pictures of the car when they drove off, or when she drove off. And then they got out at the racetrack, and the man's like, "What are you doing?" And the woman said something, and the girl got back in the car and drove off.
Next, deputies spoke with the driver of the vehicle that fled the scene of the accident.
All right, hello. My name is Deputy Quinteri, okay? I'm investigating this entire thing, all right? I was down there with the other vehicle trying to figure out what happened, so now that's why I'm up here, okay? I know you've already talked to everybody, but because I'm doing the preliminary investigation, I have to read you your rights, okay? Because it is a criminal investigation, okay?
All right.
You understand that? You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just state your name for me?
It's
Your birthday? And you understand read and write in English?
Yes.
Okay. All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney, have him or her within time during questioning. If not, a foreign attorney will be appointed to represent you. If any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questions stop your request. Do you understand these rights? All right, so walk me through what happened with the crash.
I was getting off the exit. I was turning right. I was focusing on the traffic and making sure it was clear. And
Okay.
I saw it was clear, so I started going, and there was someone in front of me, and I crashed into them.
Okay.
The reason I left, I didn't think it was that bad, and currently my insurance is expired
Okay.
because I did not pay it.
Okay. But your license is still valid and
My
all that?
license is valid. What else? I don't know. I stopped at the gas station. I was going to talk to them, and they just started yelling at me, so I left again.
So why didn't you call us or anything like that?
Why didn't I?
Yeah.
I just thought I'd go home and fix it tomorrow, and I don't know, deal with it tomorrow.
And where is the damage on your car? Is it the front right, front left?
Front right.
Okay. Are you hurt at all? Do you need any medical attention or anything like that?
No, I'm good.
All right. So like I said, I'm doing the investigation. Obviously, I was talking to them. Problem is, they do want to press charges, so just go ahead and put your hands behind your back, okay?
Oh my God, are you serious?
Yes, ma'am. Leaving the scene of an accident is a crime. Yep, you'll get a phone call and all that. Here, go ahead and just lean back against the car. No, just turn around. Just lean your butt against the car. Hang on for a minute.
So, am I just gonna get on my record and stuff?
I mean, it's a misdemeanor offense, but it is still a criminal offense to leave the scene of an accident without providing any information or anything like that. I understand you don't have insurance and all that. Either way, you're still required to stop, and at least if they are stopped, you gotta at least figure it out, talk about it. If they didn't want to do anything about it, that's one thing, but you can't just leave the crash, okay? But that's just kind of where we're at right now. Again, they do want to pursue charges, so that's why you are going to jail tonight, okay?
What happens to my car?
The car is getting towed.
Do I have to pay the tow?
You'll have to work that out with them, yes, because that's just kind of where we're at right now.
Can I get someone to drive it somewhere?
It's getting towed. We've already started working on all that, so just hang tight for a minute. Did you already call it or no? Yeah, I'll do it.
You know, I watch a lot of those videos on TikTok about like cops pulling people over and stuff, and now I'm.
What do you do for work?
Huh?
What do you do for work?
I'm a certified nursing assistant up in Norman. Trying to go to nursing school. That's why I asked if it would be on my record, but I could probably still go to nursing school with this kind of thing, right? I would assume so. It's not drugs or anything, so. Okay, we're gonna head back to the second car, okay? Alright, spread your feet.
Do you have a wallet or anything in the car that needs to go with you? Like money, anything valuable?
Did you ask her if she had anything on her? I got the phone.
First question I asked.
I wasn't around.
Want to help me inventory this real quick?
Yeah.
You got one, right?
Yep.
No, we're doing that now. Stop this out real quick. You gotta have Ow, in my head.
At least I'm going in a cool freaking outfit.
Pop the trunk.
Fuck! Fuck, fuck, fuck! Whoa!
What is it?
No! No!
These are I guarantee these are fentanyl pills. Yeah.
Why are you searching my car?
Because we have to. It's an inventory search. Do you want to take this with you? Do you want to take your wallet with you? It's got some money in it. Okay.
What'd she say?
She was asking why we're searching her vehicle.
So it wasn't a search, it was an inventory because we have to document all valuables that you have in your car before it's towed. Obviously, you know what we found. So the question is now, are you under the influence of anything?
No.
Okay, listen, I'm not trying to work a DUI on you. I just have to make sure you're not under the influence, okay?
I'm not.
Okay.
I was just picking it up.
Okay.
I was driving home.
Okay. What is it, crystal meth?
Ketamine.
Huh?
Ketamine.
Ketamine? What are the pills? Are those the fentanyl pills?
It's MDMA.
MDMA? Is it just what's in that little bag in there? All right, just hang tight, okay?
Did you want to take this? It's got money.
Yeah, we'll take. We'll
Yeah.
but yeah, either way, I'm ready. Just hang tight. This is the ketamine. What do you do with it? You snort it? You got straws in there. Do you have a prescription for anything? I take as no. And then this is the MDMA. You haven't ingested anything or taken it, correct? You have test kits.
Damn it! Damn it!
Hey, let me
In Colorado versus Bertine, 1987, the Supreme Court held that inventories must protect owners' property, shield police from theft claims, and ensure officer safety. The critical distinction: administrative purpose versus investigatory intent. Here, deputies stated they were inventorying the vehicle before impound. However, opening closed containers in the trunk raises constitutional concerns. Florida versus Wells in 1990 required standardized procedures to prevent inventory searches from becoming general rummaging for evidence. Deputy Quinter properly administered Miranda warnings before custodial interrogation. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, suspects must be advised of their rights. The subject acknowledged understanding and waived those rights. Everything she said afterward became admissible evidence against her. She confessed to every element of leaving the scene: involvement in the accident, knowledge of the collision, and intentional departure without fulfilling legal obligations. Under Oklahoma law, Title 21, Section 601, leaving an accident scene is criminal, regardless of fault. When deputies discovered controlled substances, the subject made a critical error. She identified them as MDMA and ketamine. Constructive possession requires two elements: knowledge of the contraband's presence and control over it. Her statement provided both. MDMA is Schedule 1 under the Controlled Substances Act, indicating high abuse potential and no accepted medical use. Ketamine is Schedule 3. Possession without valid prescription constitutes a felony offense in Oklahoma. Deputy Quinter receives a grade of B+. His Miranda advisement was textbook correct, protecting the admissibility of all subsequent statements. His professional communication and tactical approach were exemplary. He remained calm during the subject's emotional outburst and maintained scene control. However, the inventory search methodology presents Fourth Amendment vulnerabilities. Opening closed containers exceeded what most courts consider purely administrative cataloging. Better practice: photograph sealed containers, document their presence, and secure them without opening, unless departmental policy explicitly requires it. A defense attorney could argue this was pretextual searching for contraband. While likely to survive challenge under current precedent, it creates unnecessary litigation risk. The subject receives a grade of D- for catastrophic decision-making at every critical juncture. First error: fleeing the accident scene. This converted a civil property damage matter into a criminal investigation with arrest and prosecution. Had she remained at the scene, exchanged information, and explained her expired insurance, she would have faced only a traffic citation. Second error: waiving Miranda rights and confessing. The Fifth Amendment protects against self-incrimination. She voluntarily surrendered that protection. Her detailed confession proved every element prosecutors needed for conviction. A competent defense attorney could do nothing with this case because she prosecuted herself. Third error: identifying the controlled substances. Without her statement, prosecutors would need to prove she knew the drugs were in her vehicle. That knowledge element is often difficult to establish. She eliminated any possibility of reasonable doubt by telling deputies exactly what the substances were. The proper response to any question about contraband: invoke the Fifth Amendment and request an attorney. She entered a no-contest plea to all charges. 2 counts possession of controlled substances, drug paraphernalia,
and leaving the accident scene.
This case demonstrates 3 critical lessons for law enforcement and citizens.
For law enforcement, inventory searches require written, standardized procedures. Document that you are following departmental policy to protect evidence admissibility. Consider whether opening closed containers serves administrative purposes or investigatory goals. The distinction determines constitutional validity. Proper Miranda advisement before custodial interrogation is non-negotiable. Deputy Quinter's approach provides a model for protecting statement admissibility. For citizens, you have a legal duty to remain at accident scenes. Fleeing transforms civil liability into criminal prosecution. You possess a Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. After Miranda warnings, you cannot be compelled to answer questions that may incriminate you. Exercise that right. Request an attorney. Voluntary statements made after valid Miranda warnings will be used to convict you. Never identify contraband found in your possession. The knowledge element of constructive possession often presents the weakest point in the prosecution's case. Do not provide the evidence that proves your guilt. Finally, understand that cooperation during arrest may influence plea negotiations and sentencing, but cannot overcome fundamental legal errors in decision-making. The distinction between civil liability and criminal prosecution often depends on choices made in critical moments immediately following an incident. This subjects 3 sequential errors: fleeing the scene, waiving Miranda rights, and identifying contraband, compounded to ensure conviction on multiple felonies. Had she made legally informed choices at any single decision point, the outcome would have been dramatically different. Thank you for watching this legal analysis. Subscribe for more examination of constitutional law, police procedures, and criminal justice issues. Let us know what cases or legal topics you would like analyzed in the comments below. Check out our second channel, Street Law, for additional content. Understanding your rights and obligations under the law benefits everyone.